Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello, good morning students. Today ninth class chemistry. The next chapter is matter around us pure? This is a question mark for you. Means to say the matter in our surrounding, it is a pure or it is a impure. For example, in one bowl we have take some soil, and in another we have take sugar, crystals of sugar. So we find here the soil have different kind of soil particles, grass, or even some dead insect. So soil, it is not a pure substance. On the other hand, the sugar have same kind of particles, same kind of atoms, or same kind of molecules. So that is why sugar, this is a pure. So in this section, matter that present in our surrounding is pure or impure. So here all the matter around us is not pure. Means the matter that present around it, it is not in a pure form. So on the basis of pure and impure, this matter divide into two parts. One is pure substances and second is impure substances. Now pure substances is one which is made up of only one kind of particles, or in another word, pure matter is made up of only one kind of atoms or molecules. On another hand, impure substances, these are known as mixtures. So a mixture is one which is made up of two or different kind of particles, and these particles may be molecules or atoms. So later pure substances further divide into elements and second compounds, and impure substances, that is a mixture. It is further divided into two parts. One is homogeneous mixture and second is heterogeneous mixture. Means set two. One is a homogeneous mixture, another is heterogeneous mixture. So this is a frame about matter, pure substance, impure substance. Pure substance further divided into elements and compounds. Impure substance is further divided into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Pure substance is further divided into elements and compounds. So here elements cannot be divided further. So an element is a pure substance which cannot be split up into two or more simpler substances by usual chemical methods like heat, like electricity or like light. So elements cannot be divided further. So these elements are, one is metal, second is non-metal and third is metalloids. As you know, all three you have learned in previous class. So metalloid, metal and non-metal. So these are the part of element. Now second one, compound. Before studying compound, the example of metal like sodium, potassium. Non-metal, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Metalloids, silicon, germanium. These are the example of metalloids. So compounds. A compound is a substance made up of two or more elements. Means to say elements combined together by a fixed proportion by mass. So whenever elements combine together, they will form compounds. So for example, H2O, this is a compound having hydrogen 2 and oxygen 1. Like CO2, carbon dioxide, this is also compound. Now next one, you know very well, impure substance, that is a mixture. So mixtures are homogeneous or heterogeneous. So homogeneous mixture, substances completely mixes. Means in homogeneous mixture, the substances are completely mixed and exist in one phase or one state. Second, for example, solutions. Solutions, it is an example for homogeneous mixture. So you know very well sugar solution, salt solution, they both are in homogeneous nature. Now second one, heterogeneous mixture. Substances separate, means one phase is spread through other or one state is spread through other. So for example, emulsion elements that cannot be divided into simpler substance. So these elements total 119. Out of 119, 92 elements occurred in nature, and remaining 27 elements that are synthetically or that are artificially made by humans. So these elements further divide into three categories. One is metal, second non-metals, and third metalloids. As you know very well in previous class. So metals, these are electro positive in nature while losing electrons. For example, sodium, potassium, silver, gold, aluminum. These are an example of metals. And you know very well, metals are malleable in nature, ductile in nature, and good for conduction of electricity. On the other hand, non-metals, these are electronegative in nature while gaining electrons. For example, chlorine, bromine, iodine, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. So these are the non-malleable, non-ductile, and not conduct electricity. Conduct electricity. Metalloids, these are the elements which have the properties of both metal and non-metal. Means to say, metalloid have the properties of metal as well as non-metal. So for example, boron, germanium, silicon, these are the example of metalloid. So dear student, this is it for you. Thanks for the day.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.